HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us calculate a mean when deleting a score. Here is an example problem when we delete a score. The original mean is 251,000, and there are 101 scores. A score of 385,000 is deleted. What is the new mean? This is the equation for calculating a mean when we delete a score. Let's substitute the values from our problem. Our mean is 251,000 and we have 101 scores. We are deleting a score of 385,000. Let's simplify the old sum by multiplying the old mean of 251,000 by n, which has a value of 101. The result is 25,351,000. Let's simplify the numerator by subtracting 385,000 from 25,351,000 to get 24,966,000. Let's also simplify the denominator of 101 minus 1, which works out to 100. Let's simplify the quotient and we have our answer, which is 249,660. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.